In this video, I'll show you how to make a refreshing and flavorful Vietnamese cabbage salad with a creamy mayonnaise dressing, a simple dish that's incredibly delicious, cooling, and satisfying. Let's get started. For the ingredients, I'm using green cabbage, a small amount of purple cabbage, and some carrots to enhance the flavor and add a pop of color to the salad. I've already soaked and rinsed all the vegetables in salted water to clean them thoroughly. Now, I'm preparing a bowl of ice water. After slicing or shredding the cabbage and carrots, I'll soak them in the ice bath to keep them crisp and reduce the sharpness. I'm using a shredder to finely slice the cabbage and dropping it directly into the ice water. But you can also use a knife to cut thin strips, whichever works for you. Since I'm using just a little purple cabbage, it's fine to soak it together with the green cabbage and carrots. No need to worry about color bleeding. But if you're making a large batch, it's better to soak them separately because purple cabbage tends to release its color. After shredding, soak the cabbage and carrots in the ice water for about 5 minutes, then drain and rinse them again before letting them dry completely. While waiting, let's make the salad dressing. Today I'm using mayonnaise. To balance the richness and give it a light, sweet, and tangy flavor, I'm adding some sweetened condensed milk and freshly squeezed lime juice. You can adjust the amount of milk and lime to suit your taste. After mixing everything together, stir well until the dressing is smooth and fully combined. Besides mayonnaise, you can also try roasted sesame dressing for a different flavor. Each version has its own unique taste. Now it's time to toss the salad. It's best to only mix the salad right before serving. If you mix it too early, the veggies will get soggy and lose their crunch and fresh flavor. You can drizzle the mayonnaise dressing directly on top, or put it in a piping bag or a small plastic bag. Snip a tiny hole at the tip and squeeze it out gently. This helps control the amount and prevents making a mess. Once the dressing is prepared, you can keep it chilled in the fridge until you're ready to serve. It tastes much better when cold. And that's it. Our Vietnamese cabbage salad is ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious Vietnamese recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.